Binance Coin, or you can say BNB to USDT pair. It is a key coin of Binance Exchange. Now the question arises, why is this coin rising? And that too consistently for last few weeks or few days. Now the rise of Bitcoin we can understand, but why Binance? And the answer is, it is because of Bitcoin Binance is rising and both are interlinked. And see how. Now let's see the graph of Binance. This is a weekly graph. By the time Bitcoin is rising for last 4 months, the same is the trend of Binance. And you can find that before Bitcoin rises, Binance coin gives us a peak. So basically, Binance coin is a signal that something is gonna happen in the crypto world. Something big is gonna happen. For last 1 week or so, means almost you can say, I will show you the detailed version of the graph. Okay. Uh, Binance was stable at around 44 US dollars. But last 8 to 10 days, it suddenly started moving upward. You can say there was a huge movement, and especially for last day or two, it had a good spike of 30% rise, 30 to 35% rise. And this is a clear cut indication that something very big is gonna come ahead in BTC or in Bitcoin, especially crypto world. The reason is why. You know that Binance has a special feature, or you can say, if you have a Binance coin in your wallet, then you will get a clear cut 25% discount on the commission. For example, you are trading 1 BTC and your commission stands around 0.1%, so it is approximately 0.001 BTC, which is close to as on date it is approximately $47, $48. So if you have Binance coin, you will get 25% discount on those 48 to $50. So $50, 25% discount is approximately $12 to $13. So in each trade, whether you buy, you sell, you will directly get 25% discount if you have Binance coin in your wallet. This is the key reason Binance coin is rising, because people are buying it to save the commission they pay in terms of exchange. So if there is a movement in Binance coin, that is a clear cut indication, that is a suggestion that Bitcoin is gonna rise. These two are interlinked to each other, folks. So the reason is, yes, such a big spike, especially in last few days and especially yesterday, is a clear cut indication that coming days or coming week is very crucial for Bitcoin and the crypto world, and you can expect a huge trade and a big spike in Bitcoin because Binance has risen. Have a great day. Thank you.